like that, even lessen the roundness. And as you can see, it's now stuck to the part of the fields of gray, and now it looks like it's been highlighted. And that's it. That is how you can... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add highlight on your design using Canva Mobile. So I'm currently here on my phone and I'm using the application version of Canva. So this can work for both Android and iPhone. So I have a design here. I've written some poems. This is one of them. I'm calling it Monochrome World, and Australia is off the wet meadows of green, catching the winds of May. Many are the loss he has seen rotting on the fields of grey. So let's say we want to highlight a part of this poem, or like at least the first stanza. Let's say we want to highlight only on the fields of grey. But if you want to highlight this entire sentence over here, or praise, I don't know what you call that, rotting on the fields of grey, you just click on the text box, assuming that it is separate from everything else. You go over to effects and then you find background, and then as you can see, it can now have a highlight behind it. You can even choose the color that you want. You want it to be green, it can be green, yellow, blue. Just make sure that it does not get hidden by the color. Since it's white, it's better to find something that contrasts it rather than something that mixes with it, otherwise you really can't see it. So if you want to just highlight a part of the sentence, for example, let's say just the fields of grey, what you need to do, let's go and redo this. Let's remove the highlight behind it. So unfortunately, you cannot just choose a part of the text and then highlight it. Like for example, you hold it like that, you cannot find the effects option. What you need to do is you need to duplicate this and then overlay it on top of the text. Let's delete the others first, just leaving rotting the fields of grey here, and then we just need to put it on top of the text that we're going to highlight like this. So I'm just gonna move it properly, make sure that it looks seamless. I'm having a problem right now because, you know, yeah, now it looks like a shadow. So let's say it's like that. What you just need to do is to go over now to effects. Now effects has appeared because there's only one singular text. It's one entire text box. So now you can just go ahead and go to background, and as you can see, you have given this text or this part of the sentence a highlight. If you want to go, let's go say blue. If you don't want the to be covered, you just need to lessen the spread, and then it will look like that, even lessen the roundness. And as you can see, it's now stuck to the part of the fields of grey, and now it looks like it's been highlighted. And that's it. That is how you can highlight a text on Canva Mobile on your design. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.